All right, y'all, we're back. Got it all trimmed up. Took a rag with some acetone and wiped it down. You'll feel if you do that with fresh stuff. I mean, this is just laid up yesterday. It'll be a little sticky, and it's sticky not because it's not catalyzed, but because you've removed that paraffin wax on the top, and the paraffin now is fresh, right? The glass is fresh. If you had done this and then come back 6 months later, it'd be completely non-stick. So yeah, I wipe it off because as we deburr, and I showed you in that other video to get the stingers off, it leaves it all white and scratchy, and this is going to be no gel, so you're going to see right through it, right? So here we go. Let's we're going to start here, and I wouldn't do this if this was gel, but it's a piece of aluminum, so it doesn't really much matter, does it? Let me see if I can do this. And hold you at the same time. Man, I wish I could. Here, let me put you over here. High atop the vacuum cleaner at RPM headquarters. Okay, there we go. See, we're in, and it pops. It's popped right loose, right? Look at this. It's just going to come right off. We probably won't even need these wedges, but I'm going to go ahead and blow some air up here, but I'm going to bring you over first so you can see it. Check it out. Trying to do everything at the same time. We're getting it. I'm going to sit you back down. Sorry about that. Sorry about the angle, but I got no help here, so I'm going to go ahead and use these wedges just to make this a little easier. So we're going to start the other end. That bad boy up in here. You need to get the air a little further up under the cart, you know. Stick another wedge up here. Working our way around. Now it's been, man, probably 15 years since I've taken a part on this mold. 2005, 2007, maybe somewhere in there. Little scrapers on the ground, isn't it? Yep. Hang in there, folks. Hang in there. This is real time. I ain't no fooling here. I got my glasses on. I mean, my glasses. You can't see. If we could just get a little air coming in the spot that's not seaweed we're broke loose. Now, once we get some air in here, it's over.
Hey, love, it's casting.
You gotta chase it a little sometimes, you know. Just putting some pressure on it, it starts popping loose. Or if we could get a wedgie down in here. I thought this thing was just going to pop right off. It's going to be a 2-minute video. Here we go. There she goes. That's a nice sound to hear. Turn it around the other way so you see the other side. Maybe it's still stuck. Look at that. It's coming all by itself. It wants off of there. Here we go. One spot, one little spot left. Come on, man. Okay, we're gonna. You gotta be careful when these things finally do let go, like that, and they want to come all the way off. There's gonna be massive amount of static electricity, and it will light you up. It'll zap you. There's quite a bit of this. I've actually done this in the dark and watched the sparks flying. It is quite. There we go. There she is, folks. Let's go see. And she looks right at home. So there we go. Today's Thursday, the 19th, first day of spring, by the way. By Sunday, we'll have the engine. We should have the engine mounted up here. Other than an aluminum plate, we should have all the mounting. We should have it all hooked up this weekend. If we've got everything that we need, if everything gets here, we're going to run across town and buy the DOM tubing. It's a little heavy wall, but waiting for the chromoly to get here is just going to take too long, man. If we plan to get this thing to the racetrack in a couple weeks, we really need to get moving. So, like I said, it may go naked. It may not have nerfs. It may not have, everything it needs, but it'll have brakes. It'll have steering. It'll have a motor and everything functioning, operating. All the safety apparatus will be there. So, we can at least go and shake it down. We might not be able to put guys in it for rides this weekend, but we can at least shake it down and chase what we got going. So that's it from RPM headquarters. We've given birth to one more. God bless y'all.